Does the Castle Doctrine apply to my car or vehicle? Have you ever wondered if the Castle Doctrine extends beyond your home to your vehicle? This is a question many people have when considering their rights for self-defense. The Castle Doctrine is a legal principle that allows individuals to use reasonable force to defend themselves against intruders in their home. But what about when you are in your car? The answer to this question largely depends on the laws of your state. In some states, the Castle Doctrine does include protections for occupied vehicles. This means if you are inside your car and someone unlawfully tries to enter or attacks you, you may have the right to defend yourself without needing to retreat. However, this protection typically only applies when your vehicle is occupied. In contrast, other states limit the Castle Doctrine strictly to the home. In these states, different self-defense laws apply to situations involving vehicles. It is essential to know which category your state falls into, as this will determine your rights in a self-defense situation while in your car. It is also important to understand the difference between the Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground laws. The Castle Doctrine is focused on defending your home or other specified places without a duty to retreat. On the other hand, Stand Your Ground laws allow individuals to defend themselves in any place where they have a legal right to be, which can include public spaces. Some states combine these concepts, extending protections to vehicles under either the Castle Doctrine or Stand Your Ground provisions. From a conservative viewpoint, which often emphasizes strong Second Amendment rights, the extension of the Castle Doctrine to vehicles aligns with the belief that law-abiding citizens should be able to protect themselves without unnecessary legal hurdles. This perspective supports clear legal protections for self-defense in vehicles, viewing it as an extension of personal safety akin to the home. If you live in a state where the Castle Doctrine includes vehicles, you can legally defend yourself inside your car against an intruder or attacker without the obligation to retreat. However, if your state restricts the doctrine to the home, you may need to rely on other self-defense laws, which could have different requirements regarding retreat or the use of force. To fully understand how the Castle Doctrine applies to your car or vehicle, it is advisable to review your state's specific laws or consult a legal expert who specializes in self-defense and firearms law in your area. Knowing your rights can help you feel more secure and prepared in any situation.